Yep. Oh, it's got to be enough.
Lovely frosty morning in the city of Melbourne. We're right now in Docklands, getting ready to catch a couple of pinkies. That's it. Stay tuned.
Today we're fishing down at Docklands, throwing plastics just in front of Marvel Stadium. See if we can get any. Onto a good fish here. Might be foul hooked. Oh, it's just fouled. Oh no. He's alright. Thought it was a lot bigger, to be honest.
Yeah, well, try your rod down.
Nah, I was pulling a lot of string before.
Are you guys using lures or chicken?
Lures, mate. Well, he's actually not even that bad, honestly.
I was gonna use chicken.
Yeah, oh, he's close. Not bad first fish of the day. First fish. Bro, he had me on the pole. Fuck. My lead is cooked. Just cast it in the middle. Not like a terrible one, really. It's probably high 30s. Not bad. It's on a 2.5 inch paddle tail on a 1/12. Lovely fish in front of Melbourne Stadium. There he goes. It's chain up spots. It's in the poles here. Fishing here before. We're just moving spots real quick. Gonna go hit up these poles and see if we can pull a pinky or two. Yeah. Just moving spots all the time. Haven't got anything good. Top, definitely. Huh? It's him up top. Ask the cops what's going on.
How's it going?
What's going on?
Who's up there? Some bloke.
Is that Pam the bird?
Saw it from all over there.
Is that him up there right now?
That's like clean up crew.
Cause I saw him up top.
You have to check Insta.
Yeah.
Insta?
Go on Instagram.
I want to. So these guys in the news, are they?
Yeah.
Oh,
Maybe you can interview them while they interview you.
Yeah.
Let's ask him.
Bro, they're not gonna put us in the news. Him up there, or is that?
Oh, I can't see, can't. Yeah, it is. How do you get up there?
How do you do it?
Is there a ladder inside
Is
it?
that him actually up there, or is that?
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Ah,
Stuck.
get him! Locations, but I got a bit distracted from Pam the bird, the bloke at the top of the Balti. There's a big school of pinkies in here. I'm in. It's good. Keep your. I reckon he's a tiny bit smaller than the first one I got. Well, it's £10. Oh, he's a 40, bro. Oh, grab the line. He's a good fish. Oh, we don't have. Oh, you can take. I'm on. Doubles. I landed 2 fish before this, but I wasn't even recording. Yeah, this is tiny. Oh, so let me de-hook this one, and then in videos. Bro, there's a big school. Oh, there he goes. Just kicking back in. There he goes. Solid fish. Melbourne City in the background.
Oh, yeah, love to see it. Let's go de-hook this boy.
He's probably like close to 40. I reckon he's 40.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Get one more.
Sweet. Chuck him back. Oh, it's deep. It's not that big. Something like that. Come on. Just run into the wall, mate. 30. Yeah, that's disgusting. Oh man, that is gross. There he goes. Oh mate, fuck. Oh, that shit's filthy. Oh, I just got smashed him in. There we are. There we are. Yeah, that's small. Nah, it's tiny. Yeah, look at him. It's a little fish now. I hope this guy just unhooks himself, like honestly. This is good that we're running 10 pound. There we are, another little pinky, off he goes. Yeah, it's absolutely micro, mate. On again. Probably just the low 30s. Where can I land him? I'll land him over here. Not a micro. Another little city pinky. There it goes. I'll have one more flick in here, then I'll cast out. One again. It's not bad. Yeah, he's alright. Nah, should be right. He's not that good actually. Bro, he's hugging the wall. Get off of it, mate. He's pissing everywhere. Oops. Come on, mate. Another nice little pinky. They're all the same size. Come on. This one's a bit smaller, but still legal. All these fish are legal pretty much all the time. Another little pinky. Probably like 30 centimeters. Off he goes. Oh, that's what my plastic's fouled now. With scent. Good. Do you need a hand? Doubles. Oh, this is tiny. Oh, chuck it on the thingo. On the no water. Alright, he's done. He's out. Shit. Oh fuck. Just grab him. Put him there. Show the camera. Oh, never mind. Trying. Not bad. There we are. Oh, perfect. Oh, there we go. Oh, he'll flick back in. Quick cast. Up to the low 40s here. Wasn't really expecting anything. I was just walking back to retie and with the other rod, just had a good cast and probably like 42.
Bring it closer.
Sweet as. On. It's tiny. Nice little pinky. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, get all the water out.
Big models out there, you know, just fighting for the small ones. Got to, you know, keep persevering, and then eventually, you know, we'll get onto them.
I've got a question. No, I got a question for you.
Yeah, you got a question? What's going on, mate?
Does that orange make your hair more orange?
Yeah, funny one, mate.
No, it's good trust. Oh, it's got smashed. You saw that? Another little pinky.
Too many of them fish.
Chuck him back. Nice one. Yep. There we go. Oh, I dropped him. Unlucky. Oh, had a hit. One-handed fishing. Oh, it's got bitten off.
No way.
It's got bitten off. Oh. Again, it's another micro. Oh. There we go. Another little pinky. Ones. Guys. Sitting on it. To another one. Someone snagged. Get him. It's probably like 30.
Finally.
There we are, the last pinky of the session.